going to be satanically empowered, no surprise. Many of us could make a list of people that we believe are satanically empowered today. But notice this. They worshipped the dragon. Who's the dragon? Revelation 20 verse 9 identifies that unequivocally. They worshipped the dragon, which gave power to the beast. In other words, his followers are going to be Satan worshipers.
You'll probably want to get behind this guy, because after you go past the light, it's going to be a quick right. God, what a hell. They ran a red light. Golly, dude. Golly.
Damn, that was almost death. Good reaction.
Yeah, good driving, man. Yeah, you saved our lives, man.
You 20
Guardian
stars.
angel.
Oh, yeah, 20 stars. Okay, what do you want first?
I'm gonna do a beef fajita okie.
Beef fajita okie.
Wow. Tough. Wow. Wow. You're on dash cam, bitch. That's my name. I have the information. What if they don't have to? Because over here is crazy. It's better.
You didn't give any signal.
Now you all know you're in the right room. This is heresy 1A, right? Redemption, right on. Right on. Redemption is greater than creation in many respects.
Eagles, man. Come on. What do you think about the Giants quarterback? You think he's going to give him a chance this year?
Okay, Garmin.
Nice to meet
Same
you, man.
video.
Room staring at candles. When that shit is on, let me drop some shit like this.
Oh my God. Okay. Hey!
I can't sleep. I toss and turn. Candlesticks in the dark. Visions of bodies being
Okay, Garmin.
No, it's some.
Blinker broke.
Yep, that happened on Crosswinds Way, just south of the O'Connor-Wurzbach Parkway intersection. Now, this driver had an SUV with 3 passengers, and he pulled out onto a 4-lane road without looking at all to see that 2 cars were coming. Look at this as I go frame by frame. By this point here, I've already been on my brakes and the horn, and he is still completely oblivious to what his negligence is causing and what is about to happen. His mind was so absent in his driving that he was driving out onto a road with no clue that vehicles were coming his way. Causing damage to his rental, yes, that's right, his rental, and even more damage to my vehicle. Then, when all was said and done, this person was privileged enough and had the audacity enough to sit his sorry ass back into this driver's seat and drive off, back onto the streets where it is required to look both ways and make sure that cars aren't coming before you drive out into the street, and where the rest of us are driving, with our families. And our safety relies not only on our actions, but the actions of all drivers around us. There was no question about it. There was no objection to it by the authorities. he was able to continue driving on this same day that he did this. This is a broken system. This guy should not be driving, ever. Hell, I don't trust him pushing a shopping cart. This guy. I know this was minor, and I am very thankful that nobody was hurt. This could have easily been much worse. And many accidents that are much worse are caused by simple, stupid lack of regard for the possible danger, just like in this clip here. There are too many people driving like for brains in this town. And to support my point, you can't make shit up. As we're driving away from our scene, another accident occurred because some dumb just started driving out without looking to see that there was a car coming and drove right into his path. I mean, really, San Antonio, get your together already. I'm from this city and I love it here, but this is embarrassing. Don't these drivers have any pride? Don't they give a or understand that you can die out here? I've said this before. We have eyes to see, and cars are made with clear windows to see through. But people are driving their cars and making moves based on pure hope. How much dumber does a driver have to get before we realize that many of these people that are driving right now need to have their licenses revoked right now? And the entire driver's education process needs an overhaul. I'm not doing this to entertain. I do this because it's f***ing terrifying to think of my kids driving on roads where idiots like this don't even consider the most basic safety measures when driving a 2-ton f***ing vehicle.